Hi, I'm Alexander Paneer, founder of L.I.F.T, Leaders in Focus Transformation. This channel is my mission to coach leaders like you to grow in clarity, courage, and purpose. Because when we transform from within, we lead the world around us better. Soon, I'll be launching courses, coaching sessions, and interviews to build a global community of focused, competent leaders. A few years back, I made a wrong hiring decision. I trusted the wrong process. It cost me time, money, and my confidence. I started doubting myself, questioning everything. But then I paused and built a reset plan. And here is what saved me. Number one, reflection. What did I miss? What patterns lead to this? Number two, rebuild. Not from scratch, from strength. Number three, recommit to my values, not my ego. Reset is not retreat, it's a reboot. And sometimes failure is the only thing loud enough to make you listen. If you have failed recently, don't drown in the shame. Design your reset. Write a better version of your comeback. And if you want to dive deeper into leadership, clarity, confidence, and communication, join my free webinar happening on June 28th. Failure didn't break me, it built me. And I'm here to remind you, your setback is just your setup for the next level. Let's reset, let's rise, let's live together. Alexander Paneer, thank you.